Meaning of diagnosis.
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 Diagnosis. Diagnosis refers to the process of identifying a disease or medical condition based on its symptoms, medical history, physical examination, and diagnostic tests. The ultimate goal of diagnosis is to determine the underlying cause of the patient's symptoms, which can guide treatment decisions and prognosis. In short, diagnosis is the first step towards effective medical treatment. It is often a complex and multifaceted process that involves taking into account a wide range of factors, including the patient's age, gender, lifestyle, and overall health status. Accurate diagnosis is critical to ensuring appropriate and effective medical care.